The custodial death of Dipendra Phangcho on 14 December had sparkled a fire among the citizens of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. Various students, social and political organizations like All Party Hills Leaders Conference APHLC had staged a protest condemning about the incident. Recently, on 14th of December, an instant agitation was also organized by Wathadlangso Tata Mobile Truck Driver Association seeking justice at Hamren police station the day Dipendra Phangcho died. Likewise, on 15th of December, APHLC organized a procession from multi-utility building MUB Hamren, West Karbi Anglong to Hamren police station, followed by the sit-in demonstration in front of Samson Singh Tea statue adjacent to the police station, demanding stern investigation to prevail justice to the victim and family, and also to terminate the service of the officer in charge of Wathadlangso police station. A memorandum citing all the demands was also submitted to Krishna Barua, Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, through ADC of West Karbi Anglong District. Angtong Ingtigathar, spokesman of APHLC, Kursing Timong, Dhaneswar Rongpar, and several eminent leaders of APHLC were present at the event.
Akang sai long let dikelitum kachisong bangkeing tom telo la pening tom tanang nelo.
Channeling his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live.